Burning West town of Nandi.
The President of the Fiji Disabled Federation, representatives of Fiji Association of Deaf, the Spinal Injury Association, Psychiatric Survivors, United Blind Persons of Fiji, and all the members of the Fiji Disabled Federation from 15 branches around Fiji, our generous media partners, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula, Namaste, and a very good morning to you all once again. It is indeed a very happy occasion for me, as well as a privilege, to be here this morning, sharing your day with those I call very special people. And of course, to open your Training of Trainers program on the Convention of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. As your line minister, I thank you for the invitation and urge you to keep me informed of the progresses that the Federation is making. On the offset, the Fijian government applauds the work undertaken to empower our people with disabilities so they are able to contribute to our economy using their talents and skills. Remember, no one can take away your abilities to make a difference to your livelihoods and for your families too. For all the partners here this morning, I thank you for your commitment and support to the well-being of people living with disabilities in Fiji. I hope we all will persevere to continue such efforts, as there is a lot more work that needs to be done. To the members of the Disabled Society present here this morning, my message: we are together with you in this fight, where we want to remove all the barriers and give you equal access to participate in society's development programs, education, employment, healthcare, communication, and of course, all the services. I know that the journey may not have been easy, but a very challenging one. I have always believed that people with disabilities need to be recognized as people that can make a lift to our society, and that can only be possible if we uplift their talents and skills